Engineer Ray Murphy has served with Charlotte Fire for 15 years, but his impact reaches far beyond the fireground. For more than 2 decades, Ray has dedicated himself to both protecting the community and teaching the next generation of firefighters.
My name is Ray Murphy. I'm an engineer of Engine 18 A shift. Been on 15 years.
Ray's career began as a volunteer before serving 7 years in Beaufort, South Carolina. When he returned home to North Carolina, he joined Charlotte Fire, the city where he grew up, went to school, and always dreamed of serving.
I always wanted to be on Charlotte. I went to high school at East Mecklenburg. Station 3 is right next there. I used to watch the trucks go in and out of the station, and I just always knew Charlotte was going to be my home.
Ray didn't always know where his path would take him, but he knew it would involve teaching and instruction.
I thought I was going to be a teacher. I just always felt comfortable at it. I wanted to come down here to show some things that I knew, and luckily we have a training division that likes doing real life scenarios. When you come down to the fire academy, it's real life stuff.
That passion led him to also serve with the Huntersville Fire Department, where he helped shape their training program. Now at the Charlotte Fire Training Academy, Ray has helped train countless recruits and veteran firefighters alike, sharing knowledge, building confidence, and preparing them for the challenges of the job.
If we go to a call, I'll have a firefighter one say, hey, I remember when you taught us this and I'm using it today. And that's really cool to me, is that they remembered what I said or showed them how to do it.
For Engineer Ray Murphy, firefighting isn't just about responding to emergencies. It's about teaching, mentoring, and leaving the fire service stronger for future generations of firefighters.